Hi there, it's Carol here bringing you another video today. I finally managed to get my phone where I want it, and I'm having to strain to look at it. Anyway, what am I going to do? I want to make a card, a Christmas card, out of this Santa's Workshop Memories and More pack. Just opened it and it all came out crashing down on me. So they are double-sided, and they are so cute. Look, it's a wonderful time of year. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh, look at all the little people. So, oh, there's a letter. Dear Santa, this is going to be so difficult. I like those. I like stickers and I like glitter. So we'll keep that one to the side. There's the Dear Santa and the trees. Official seal of the North Pole. What's on the other side? Stripes. And you've got a believe and some bows. We've got a countdown to 35 days of December. Look. Got some more stickers there and there. Oh, now I like that one. So the glitter ones are not double-sided, look. But look at those. Oh, I like those. So we'll just keep those to the side. And I love that one. What else do you need on a card apart from that? And that one, look at that one. Wow. Okay, so I've decided on the bigger pieces. Now we get all these little pieces that go with them. So look at all these. So let's just have a look and see what I've chosen. Now if I choose those, see the little one could go inside there. I think I might choose him, but I don't want to just stick it on a piece of card and go, oh, look, there's the card. But this doesn't lead you to do anything. It doesn't need you to do anything else. It doesn't need you to make it look any great, you know, any smarter. It's really cute. So I think I might have to go with that one because it is just so blimmin' cute. Look at these. These are just so... These will be great to make an album and put all these in. I think that's what I'll do next. I'll make an album and put these in. Right, I've decided. Let's go for it. Okay. Right. I say right a lot. I'm really sorry. I don't mean to. This piece of card measures 6 inches by 4. So that's quite a big piece of big card. So I've got my pool party A4 here. So if I want it 6 inches by 4 inches, that's 4 1/4. Sorry, that's 8 1/4. So if I leave that width and just do 6 1/4, do you agree? 6 1/4 is there. And then if I score at, so it's 8 1/4. So half an 8 1/4 is 4 2 notches, which is 4 1/8. I'm using the new tool. I love it. So, and I can swap it and make it a thicker end or a thinner end. And there's other tools with it. It's absolutely amazing. So if I fold that, that should fold. Let's see if I've done it right. You never know when I'm on live camera. It could all go wrong. So I need a bit of a folder. There you go. And I'm already, look, covered in all glitter. Who cares? There you go, look, that fits really nicely on there, don't you think? Okay, I've got these stickers on my arm. Now, can I use... Yes, I can. This is a double pack of Tea Room Ribboned Combo. I don't think it actually says the colours, does it? I don't think it says it on them either, no. So I'm just going to just put a little bit there, a tiny bit there. Okay, let's get some scissors, just to give it a tiny bit of embellishment. Okay, now I need to keep those because I need to put those in the video. So what I'm going to do is get my old fast fuse out. Ooh, gone off the line. That'll be interesting when I come to glue it. Right, let's put all that back. Okay, there you go. Now what I want is I want one piece just there. So that's why I put the glue down, to just so I can do that. Okay, and the other piece is going there. Now that one's a bit too long, so I'm just going to chop that off. It just adds only a tiny bit of embellishment, but so we've got to get this right first time now, because this fast fuse will not be happy if I don't do it properly. That looks so cute. So cute, so cute. Now, I do need to do some stamping, don't I? I think. So, the new... Yes, I either say so or right. Can I please stop it? Because even I know that it's getting on my nerves now. These are a couple of the ones I've got in the new catalogue. I've got the candy cane. It's got to be a fun one though, hasn't it? May your Christmas be jolly. May your Christmas be holly, jolly and bright. What do you think about that? Deck the halls. We're not decking the halls, they're snowmen. I've got some more coming, and they're coming today. 'Tis the sweet season. Be jolly. That's the one I'm going to go with. Right, as you can see, I have been using it. I haven't used Be Jolly yet. That will work. Put it on a little block. Okay, and what colour do we want? I think we'll go with black. Now, if this doesn't work for whatever reason, I think it will. There you go. I was going to say I can put it on a label and put the label over it. Just have more faith in yourself. Be jolly. Now, I want to use one of these. And I think I've got to use that little man, haven't I, that's hiding. So, it's just a sticker. It's so cute. I'm going to stick him just there. Oh my God. I really don't think I need anything else. Get rid of that glue that I put over. I really don't. I mean, you could put Merry Christmas there if you wanted to, if you really, really wanted to. Merry Little. Shall I try? Let's try Merry Little Christmas. And this one is from the Peaceful Noel. I love this set. It's so cute. Right, let's get another little block. Let's get my black ink down again. Right. Oh, can you see that if I do that? I was bringing it towards me so I could see. Merry Little Christmas. Now it's not straight, but I don't care. It still looks cool. Yeah? Do you think? I do. I think that looks really nice. And it's just so quick and simple and easy. This pack, I don't know how many Christmas cards you could get out of here. I'm really not sure. But it's going to be quite a few. I'm not sure. It just says one set. Oh, hang on. It says 4 1/8 by 6 1/8 times 5. Oh, it just gives you dimensions. It just says quantity, 1 kit. You'll have to buy it and you'll have to count them. It's that many. Okay, I hope you liked my quick and simple card. All I needed was some ink, a couple of stamps and some ribbon. And it's just so cute. I wonder who I'm going to send this one to. Take care. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.